Businesses need Facebook. This is by marketingcheapasdiy.com. We frequently add new videos, so follow us so you don't miss anything. Effective Facebook marketing. Did you know that you can create more customers and followers who become fans who stay engaged with you by using Facebook to market your business? By using Facebook, you can show your customers that you're passionate about solving their problems and show how your products or services will benefit them. With 2.6 billion monthly active users, Facebook can and will put you ahead of your competitors if you just tap into the power. But this is only if you know and have the experience to utilize Facebook beneficially. There is so much untapped potential that small businesses are not aware of. Any and all businesses can use Facebook. However, I find that small businesses need Facebook. Businesses need to utilize the connection that Facebook brings to promote their business in a more effective way, especially in a local market. This allows word-of-mouth marketing to be more effective because people have something to share and show when they're recommending your business to friends and family. This connection allows you to compete with larger businesses and corporations because you're on more of a personal level with your customers. And you can compete with them digitally because you have more of a local base to push your promotions. So actually, the large business has become unable to compete with you. On top of being a wonderful place to display your business and your brand, there are marketing tools and remarketing tools you can use to dominate your local area. On average, people need 7 times of digital or hands-on experience with your company before they choose to experience or hire you. This gets very expensive on a global scale. But, by choosing specific locations and using the power of retargeting cookies, you can show your ads only to the people that have shown interest in you. I truly hope you are interested in using Facebook to promote your business and want to learn and utilize the advanced tools of Facebook. Because I strongly believe this can and will be a strong game changer in your business. So get on it, check out retargeting ads, Facebook ads, and understand the pixels. Then, get help promoting your business or startup. If you don't have a website, or you're not quite sure how to set up everything, or you are just getting frustrated, we would be glad to help. If you want more help, investigate our lessons area at marketingcheapasdiy.com. You can also request a new video. For additional support, comment or go to Cheap as DIY Marketing on Facebook and join our mastermind group.